Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can take screenshot and record screen on your Poco phone M4 Pro and also X4 Pro. It looks the same for the both devices. So at the first we are going to use this famous volume and power buttons method. So to take the screenshot you have to click on the volume down and power key at the same time for a while. One more time. Power key and the volume down together. As you can see, that's very simple. So that's the first method. The another one, you can open notification panel just like that, and right here you'll find the screenshot icon. So when you tap on it once, the screenshot will be also taken. So for example, if you want to take a screenshot in the Google Play Store, open it, open the notification bar, tap once, and that's it. Okay, and the last option, there's the third method. So we have to go for the settings, we have to find additional settings and go for gesture shortcuts. Pick this one to take a screenshot, and as you can see we have to enable this feature to slide with 3 fingers down, just like that. One more time. So we can just start from this section. Because when you try to reach this bar, sometimes you can open just this notification panel. So try from this place. So as you can see, we get 3 different methods how to take screenshots. And right now, if you wonder where we can locate them, we have to go for the gallery. In the gallery, in the albums, we can find the album called the screenshots and the screen recorder. And here we can find all screenshots that we take. As you can see right here. If you want to edit the screenshot, you have to get this tab on the of the notification and click right here. And right now we are able to crop, add the filter, adjust, erase something. Okay, honestly, I'm not sure how it works, but let's try. Okay, as you can see right now it's working. So that's actually a cool feature. We can tap right here and there it is. As you can see, we remove these features from the screenshot. We can add the stickers also. We can draw something, we can add text, we can add the frame, we can change the frame. So a lot of stuff that we can customize, and if you want to save, just tap right here. As you can see, that's how the screenshot looks right now. Definitely different from this one that we have right here, the original one. And also we can edit them by, after taking the screenshot, when you tap on it once, it will be open like that, and right here we can also make the changes. So we can draw something here, you can also remove something in their text. Yeah, that's how it looks when we talk about the screenshot. But if you want to record the screen, you have to open this notification panel just like that, open it another time, and there's the screen recorder icon. So when you click on it once, you'll get this floating menu. So at the first you can open here and change the settings of this record. So we can change the resolution, video quality, orientation, sound source, so we can for example record only system sounds. You can also record the microphone sound or mute both of them. You can decide. That's the frame rate. You can get 15, 24 or 30. You can lock screen to the end, show touch gestures, show buttons. There's also other privacy stuff. When you tap right here, you will open the screen recorder gallery. And to start the record, click right here. Of course, this will be not visible on your record. To finish, click right here. 2 times. Open gallery, and there it is, our screen record video. So as you can see, that's all. That's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.